Tired of kitchen clutter and endless cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is your ultimate solution for easy, delicious meals. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's a culinary game-changer designed to simplify your life and elevate your home cooking. Imagine having a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, yogurt maker, cake baker, and sterilizer all in one sleek appliance. It truly replaces multiple gadgets, freeing up precious counter space and making dinner prep a breeze for busy families. With 15 smart, customizable programs for everything from soup and chili to eggs and even cakes, perfect results are just a button away. No more guessing. Just set it and forget it. Ideal for anyone looking to buy an efficient kitchen tool. Plus, its premium stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, even cooking and incredibly easy cleanup, a definite win for daily use. What sets the Duo Plus apart is its precise temperature control and advanced safety features, delivering consistent, restaurant-quality meals safely every time. If you're serious about upgrading your kitchen in 2025, check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus via the Amazon link in the description below. It's undoubtedly the best Instant Pot to buy, and an absolute must-have for any modern home cook seeking efficiency and culinary excellence.